Ever wondered how a tiny computer like Raspberry Pi can be transformed into something extraordinary? Well, today we're diving into the world of Raspberry Pi projects, showing you just how much you can accomplish with this tiny yet powerful piece of technology. First up on our list is a home automation system. A Raspberry Pi can act as the central hub for all your smart devices, allowing you to control everything from your lights to your thermostat, all from one place. Step 1. Start by installing a home automation software like Home Assistant or OpenHAB on your Raspberry Pi. This will serve as the heart of your system. Step 2. Connect your smart devices to your Raspberry Pi. This process will vary depending on the device, but typically involves entering the device's IP address into the software. Step 3. Configure your system. This might include setting up rules for when your lights turn on and off, or setting your thermostat to adjust based on the time of day. In summary, with a Raspberry Pi, some home automation software, and a little bit of time, you can create a centralized home automation system that puts control of your entire home at your fingertips. Next, we're going to turn our Raspberry Pi into a retro gaming console. Yes, you heard it right. The first step is to install RetroPie, a software package that includes a bunch of emulators for different gaming systems. Next, upload your game ROMs onto your Raspberry Pi. Remember, it's important to only use ROMs for games that you legally own. Then, connect a controller to your Raspberry Pi. This can be a USB controller or even a Bluetooth one if your Pi supports it. Lastly, boot up RetroPie and start playing. It's that simple. To sum it up, by installing RetroPie and uploading some game ROMs, you can transform your Raspberry Pi into a retro gaming console. It's like taking a trip down memory lane, but with the added bonus of not having to blow into a cartridge to get your game to work. From home automation to retro gaming, the possibilities with Raspberry Pi are truly endless. So why not give one of these projects a try? You might just find that the tiny Raspberry Pi is a lot more powerful than you ever imagined.